I'm back. My name is Marco and I'm at Marco's World. I introduce you my Lego set. It's called the Lego minifigures. It's in the police inn. First, it's the police locomotive. This thing, it gets a beeper, it gets siren when they do that all the times. It got a popper. You could take them apart. They're just taking those things here, making them stick on the sides. So inside there's a cup, a driver. The siren is 104, but no, 04 is. Now let's start with this thing. The truck trailer. This thing's open like this. I'll show you. There. Now let's choose what's inside. Let's do that on the side. Everything's supposed to be like that, or that's supposed to be like this. So the phone, flashlight, hand grabber, a teal, over. That's where they seen where they going. A chair, cup, computer, dollar, and a chair. That's a deal for this character, but I don't know what that is. Now let's start with the minifigures. Wait a minute, the ceiling's not sticky. Wait a minute, everyone. I need to fix that ceiling on the above. Sure. There. The ceiling moves up and down. There. Now let's start with the minifigures. First, let's introduce you this policeman again. This guy got a smiley face. You could actually break him apart, but it's not too easy. He got the something like he could do this on his more arm, or he could introduce you to. Wait a minute, I did something. Okay. Here we go back. I got this one, put him back. This phone, the sheriff, and then we have this one. It's Emmett. Emmett got the a hood, pants, hands, and smile face. But he introduced his zippers adopted. Now let's start back with the crook. The crook are with the other crooks. They got a Baghdadi truck. He got this stuff. Steal money. Okay, let's put that back here. Got his chin. Now it's Rod style. Rod style got the small face, lipstick, necklace, pants. You could take them off apart, but I'm not gonna do that. But I don't have a lightweight full of my figures. It's okay. Now let's start with policeman. Policeman got hold money like that. And then next it's the gas station master. He banded his head. Okay, so he's doing that because the crooks are getting him with a police truck. So it's gonna be Like he's walking with the blue pants. There's a sticker that says "Still," but it's V-Power. It's just a stickers. So backward was bye, and I'll see you back. I will see you at another video. Bye.